Today I will be discussing the Metal Company's range of BSP adapters. Our BSP thread adapters have been developed by the Metal Company to make installations quick, easy and cost effective. We stock both Weld nipple adapters and Weld socket adapters to suit a range of different applications. We stock BSP Weld nipple adapters for tube, also known as a reducing weld nipple, and we also stock them to suit RJT male part, RJT weld liner with hex nut, triclover and press fit connections. We also stock adapters to go from BSP nipple to MPT nipple. For our BSP socket adapters range, we stock BSP socket to tube, BSP socket to RJT male part, BSP socket to triclover and BSP socket to press fit. Something unique about our BSP adapters is the flat spots on the side, which is handy for tightening the fitting without damage. We have a more detailed video about our BSP Weld nipple adapters and Weld socket adapters available on our website. Please note that our BSP range has a working pressure of 150 pounds or 10 bar. This has a maximum working temperature of 250 degrees at 10 bar. All male threads are tapered and all female threads are parallel. I hope this has been helpful in explaining our range of BSP adapters. If you have any questions, please get in touch with the crew at the Metal Company because we make buying stainless steel easy.